What's going on, y'all? We doing some jumbo shrimp today, and we stuffing them with some crab meat. So you know what time it is. Let's get it. So the first thing we need to do is split that shell. That's gonna allow us to use our knife and cut that shrimp straight down the middle with no problem, y'all. Then of course we want to clean out any guts or that vein that's going down the middle of that shrimp. So in a bowl, we need to add in our crab meat, bell pepper, celery, and onion. Next, we need to add 2 tablespoons of mayo, and we're gonna give that a quick mix. Then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, just to give that extra bite and texture. Give that a mix, and this is what she should look like when you're done. Then we just gonna stuff these shrimps with it. After we get that stuffing in, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some salt, cayenne, and breadcrumbs. And then we're gonna get into an oven set on broil, high setting. Mine is at 500, yours might be less or more. And in about 10 minutes, this is what we got. Now, of course, that depends on the size of your shrimp, but it was tasty, y'all. It was tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.